Okay, and let's go with the last trick for this course. Let's see the original video. I can put my sweater on. I went to put my sweater on. I put it on and I jump from exactly the same place. And I'm gonna try to land exactly in the same place. So this is what I'm gonna get with that. You will see now. And for a 45 minutes workshop, I think is enough. Let's practice. Okay, so this is what I want to get with this. I jump. Here I jump, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna put it closer. And this is the moment in which I land. I can hear the sound here. And I can see the sound there, right? So I'm gonna split just when the sound of me landing stops. So I do that. And now I'm gonna do the same thing, but now I am with my sweater. I jump. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Stop the video here. And I delete the video. Select, delete, and let's see if the effect work. I can put my sweater on. Okay, so it looked like for a 45 it appeared. Minute. Let's do it a little bit bigger. And for a I can put my sweater on. And for a 45 minutes workshop, I think is enough. Let's practice. Muy bien, I will finish with a transition like this. Usually I like this one when I finish the videos.